In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable read receipts in Outlook. Start by opening Chrome and searching for Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook site to open your mailbox in the browser. Once your inbox is visible, look toward the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens a panel with quick settings, and from there you'll move into the full settings area so you can make a precise change. Inside settings, select mail. This takes you to the mail-specific options where Outlook groups everything from layout to compose and reply. We're focusing on how Outlook handles messages once they're received, so next, choose Message Handling in the left-hand menu. This section controls behaviors like what happens when messages are marked read, and importantly, how Outlook responds to read receipt requests. Find the Read Receipts area and choose the option that fits how you want Outlook to behave. If you pick Always Send a Response, Outlook will automatically send a read receipt back to senders who request one, with no further prompts. This keeps things hands-off and can be useful in environments where acknowledging message receipt quickly is important. If you prefer more control, choose Ask Me before sending a response. With this setting, whenever a sender requests a read receipt, Outlook will prompt you so you can decide in that moment whether to confirm you've read the message. This option is great if you want to balance transparency with privacy, because you can approve receipts for critical messages while declining them for others. After you've selected your preference, click Save. You'll typically find the Save button at the bottom of the settings pane, and clicking it ensures your choice is applied to your account right away. A few quick tips to set expectations. Read receipts only come into play when the sender requests one. If they don't, no receipt is sent regardless of your setting. Also, not every email service honors read receipts, and some recipients or organizations block them, so you might not receive confirmations from everyone even when you've chosen to always send or to be prompted. If you're using a work or school account, administrators may control or limit this feature. If you don't see the exact options described, your organization's policies might apply. That's it. Open Outlook in Chrome, go to Settings, select Mail, choose Message Handling, pick how you want read receipts handled, and save your changes. You're now set up with read receipts in Outlook on the